Okay, what you're looking at here is I think is a Comander G event, circa 1983, 84, somewhere around there. By the sticker on the top and and the list of numbers. I got this at a restore in Rockford, Illinois. It was decent price for what it is. The globe is not original. This is just a globe I'm using because it didn't come with one of the tassels. They're not original. I just put them on because they look nice. I'm using a compact CFL in there. Here's and we'll take it to low. Here's another view of the the switch housing might be slightly bent, I'm not sure. I've always wanted one of these. I mean, I have a few, but this one's a bit different. Might put this in my room. Put my Encon 5 light kit on it. That's new in box. You can see that right over there. That right there. That's the Encon light. It's antique brass. I want to get to medium. Get down a bit so we can get a better view of it. Let's see if it's better without the light. Might even be a bit better. I put the not a high. It's a pretty good air mover. It's even kind of spinning the gold line. That'll be in a future video at some point. The Union Air gold line had that for it's in 1980. It's got it's a decent air mover. One of the blades may be slightly off balance, I'm not sure, but it's pretty balanced. And off. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.